Alright, so here's my wall currently. This is the first picture collage I've made for my wall. Probably made this in about freshman year of high school, so it definitely was time for a change, so I just took this down. So I figured I'd show you guys how I found my pictures. So the easiest way to do this is to open up Pinterest and look up any pictures that you're interested in. A really easy way to find aesthetically pleasing pictures is looking up blue aesthetic, black aesthetic, anything like that, and it will come up for you. And I just made an album called Aesthetics so that I could find them easily. If you guys want to follow me on Pinterest to get some ideas, I believe it's at Savannah Scora. I'll link it in the description box. But then what you want to do is click on each picture, and there's 3 little dots under it, and then click Image Download, and this will add it to your camera roll. And as you can see here, these are all the pictures that I downloaded that I want to be printed. Then you're going to open up Walgreens. This is where I print my images. If you have an account, you can sign in. Then you're going to click on the photo. Then you can either click Order Prints or My Projects, and this will bring you to the same tab. And as you can see here, I already have a few albums uploaded. But then you're going to click Upload. It'll have you make a new album, so I'm just naming this album Wall Collage Pics for this demo. Then you're going to click Select Photos, and you're going to go in your camera roll and find what pictures you want to be printed. It allows you to select multiple at a time. Then you're going to let them upload. It might take a little bit. Click View Album. Then it's going to show you all the pictures you're going to be printing. Then you're going to go through each and every individual picture and make sure that they are cropped and scaled to your liking. The pictures usually default to 4x4 or 4x6, which is a pretty good size. If you need though, you can click Add Size and select a different one. I had a couple that were 8x10 photos so that I would have a variety. Then you're going to click Proceed to Cart, and if you have the ability, then try to put a coupon code in there. That's what I did. My first order was $30 and my second order was $18. Once your order is ready, you're going to go ahead and pick those up, and I just picked up this permanent mounting tape to put up the pictures. And here I am just laying out all the pictures into the different color categories just to kind of help me on how I want to lay these out on the wall. I think this is very helpful so you can kind of get a vision of what they are going to look like on your wall. And here I'm just cutting the tape into little squares. I usually put 2 squares per picture because that seems to get them to stick pretty well. And here I am just laying out the pictures on the wall. For the most part, I'm just laying these out randomly, but I did hold up the pictures to the wall against other pictures to kind of see how they would look. I did do the wall in 2 different days. I did most of it on the first day, which took about 6 hours. Then I wanted to add more to the white and black portions of the wall, so I printed out more pictures and finished it up a few days later, which took about 4 hours, so it took me 10 hours total. Here's the finished product. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. With all the pictures and supplies, it cost a total of about $60, which is very affordable compared to some collage kits that run well over $100. So if you guys try this out, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and thanks for watching!